Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ADIB FARHAN bin Muhammad Narawai and my matrix number is B051910058. Today I will present for final year project 1. The title is Assessment of Biodegradability of Plastic in Aquatic Environment, supervised by Professor Madya Dr. Nur Izan Syariah binti Hussein and Encik Muhammad Nizam bin Ayub. Presentation outline starting with introduction, problem statement, objective and scope, literature review, methodology, and summary. Now, I will talk about the introduction. So what is Al-Quran? Al-Quran is the holy text of Islam. It also recognizes a God message, acknowledged as the source of Islamic law, religion, culture, and politics. Any the Quran is damaged and unreadable shall be disposed of. The method of disposal is to burn in a controlled place and dump into the sea or river. Next, what is the biodegradable plastic? Plastic that decompose naturally in environment are known as biodegradable. Biodegradable plastic have a structure that allow natural microorganisms to quickly break it down. Biodegradable plastic can be decomposed into water, carbon dioxide, and biomass. The focus of this project is to find the best biodegradable plastic that available at the market that can be used by the Jabatan Agama Islam Melaka for disposed Al-Quran ashes that can dilute into the ocean. Now, I will talk about the problem statement. Plastic is a petroleum-based synthetic organic polymer. Plastic waste can harm the environment and biodiversity. Plastic degrades into the small particles known as the microplastic, which is the particles smaller than 5 mm, or nanoplastic, a particle smaller than 100 nanometer, because of UV radiation from the sun, wind, and other natural forces. Because of their small size, they are easily ingested by the aquatic creature. Now, I will talk about the objective and scope. For the objective, is to find that the plastic available at the market are really biodegradable, and also how long the plastic take time to dilute into water. And the scope is conduct the experiment on the dissolution of biodegradable plastic into the water using the different water and plastic. The next subject is salinity, authored by Omar, 2019. This section explains the concentration of salt dissolved in water sample is determined via water salinity testing. Last but not least is pH level, authored by Dirisu in 2016. pH is measure of a hydrogen ion concentration which indicate whether a solution is acidic or alkaline. Typically, the pH scale from the 0 to 14. Now, this slide will cover for methodology, starting with the flow chart. First, we need to identify the problem statement and the objective of the project. Next, create the literature review to gain more understanding about the whole project that need to run. After that, going to the methodology. Here, it will separate by two sections, which is type of water and biodegradable plastic. All the type of the water will be going to the salinity test and pH test. For biodegradable plastic, we will cut into the specimen pieces. After that, we will run the experiment by soak the specimen pieces plastic into the different water that already test for pH test and salinity test. After run the experiment, the data result will be taken. The final process of the flowchart is create the conclusion and recommendation based on the data and result got from the experiment. Now, I will talk about material preparation. The material that need prepared to conduct the experiment is: first, biodegradable plastic; second, type of water; third, container; 4, pH test kit; 5, salinometer; and 6, scissor and ruler. Summary of PSM1. Number 1 is literature review finding. Improve our understanding of the biodegradation, aerobic biodegradation, anaerobic biodegradation, biodegradable plastic, aquatic environment, salinity, and pH level. Number 2 is the factor that affected biodegradation rate. Number 3 is aerobic biodegradation is faster than anaerobic biodegradation. Number 4 is aerobic biodegradation occur when presence of oxygen. Number 5 is anaerobic biodegradation occur when the absence of oxygen. Number 6 is type of biodegradable plastic. Number 7 is type of pollution in aquatic environment. Number 8 is salinity test, measurement of salt dissolved in a solution water by using salinometer. Number 9 is pH test, measure the acid level of the substance by using pH test kit. Number 10 is PSM2, experimental test and data analysis. And lastly, discussion on the result and conclusion can be made. So that's all from me. Thank you and see you soon.